That's the smallest banana I've ever seen. Smaller than my phone. And good morning guys, how y'all doing? Just finished my coffee and preparing for a new video. So today guys, maybe you're just wondering what I do for work. So in this video today I'm gonna sum everything up and show you what I do for a living on board a cruise ship. So stay until the end, and if you guys new here, my name is Philip. I'm working on board a cruise ship. If you guys want to see more, just press the subscribe button, turn that bell notification on, and see you guys more in the next videos. It's a great weather today, so I'm gonna use it to make one more video for you guys. So if you guys wondering, I'm a photographer on board a cruise ship, and this is our daily routine. Since I'm stuck in this cabin, I cannot show you my daily routine, but I can tell you about stuff, what our job is about and how we handle situation and what is our schedule. If you guys ever wanna just try this job out and maybe come on board a cruise ship to work as a photographer, what you guys expect. So let's start from the beginning. Okay, so you just joined the cruise ship and you don't know anything about this job, and first thing, they're gonna guide you to your cabin, right? You go to the cabin, you unpack, right? And you don't do anything until like 4 o'clock. At 4 o'clock you go to the photo lab, and in the photo lab they give you your own camera, your own flash, batteries for the flash, batteries for the camera, usually they give away 3 memory cards. Okay, you got your camera, you got your bag for the camera, and then it's time to go upstairs and see how the gallery looks like. Also, if you're a photographer on board, you just don't just take a picture, you also need to sell the pictures. So your job is also to stay in the gallery and learn how the register work and what do we have as a retail to sell. Retail like photo albums, cameras, bodies, everything that is like compatible with photography. And it's only the first day of the job. So for the second day, and while this first day it's coming and going, you know, and you will see your colleagues, you will meet all of your colleagues and see what they're doing. So always pay attention to what they're doing and how they're doing, because most companies, I mean crew members, really are already tired of their jobs, like they're doing it for 4, 5, 6 months. They're doing it from the day one, they're doing it full time, so 10 hours a day for 5 or 6 months. Most of people don't want to try to help you out, so you need to figure stuff by yourself. That means you need to observe stuff. While you're in the gallery and someone is like shooting next to you or maybe down the hall, you need to ask your manager, can I see what that guy is doing? He's trying to get the pictures, you need to see his settings, his how he's setting up. When the next day comes, like this, you're already first day on the ship, everything is new to you, everything is, I don't know, your first time seeing everything, of course. Then second day, they're just gonna give you the camera. I mean, you're gonna take your own camera, right? You're just gonna go there, in the schedule it says you need to shoot there, and you have no clue what you should do, right? Once they start shooting, they don't have time to come over and show you what you need to do. So all I want to say is just try to observe what people are doing, be like everybody else. So it's not a complicated job, you can learn everything in like 3 to 4 days. It took me like 2 days to learn everything, and I don't think you're gonna have problem with it as well. Okay, so the second day is elegant night, right? And that's a big deal for us, for the photographers, because they will make a lot of revenue, a lot of photos, and a lot of pictures to sell. Confusing for the new photographers, like for the new ones who join the ship. The second day is like disaster. They need to take a lot of photos. If you're a new one on the team, they're usually shooting the dining room, and also when you're shooting the dining room, you may need to make a lot of photos, like 1,000 photos, 600 photos, depends on the ship. So if it's smaller ship, bigger ship, it's kind of making big difference. I mean, don't want to scare you guys, but it's possible, and it's like, it's 2-hour job, 2 to 3 hour job. You're gonna get it right. After this elegant night is done, so you have like 7,000, 8,000 photos from the entire team, plus the dining room photos. So the third day is usually the sales. So let's summarize everything. So the third day and the last sea day is the most of the time when we're making the money, the need for that cruise, right? So every cruise we have a targets, we need to reach those targets. So the third day is more crucial, and the last sea day is also the most crucial of the week. And for one more job that we photographers do, is the gangway. So on the gangways where we're on ports, we set up signs and banners, sometimes even costumes outside, and we shoot photos with the guests. And usually we take around 1,000 to 2,000 photos, depends on the port and depends on how many guests are coming off the ship. Thing you need to know about a photographer on board. So you have dining room photos, we have gangway photos, we have portraits, beach photos, and we have on the deck photos. And plus the costumes, of course. We have some photos here with the costumes and some photos on the beach as well, from me, of course. And on this image, shout out to Romel, he's a good friend of mine. We used to work together back in Carnival. I tried to text him, I don't think he's back home, I think he's still on the ship, but hi man, how you doing? I'm doing okay, I'm sure you're doing okay back there if you are on the ship or back home. And that's for it today, guys, and I think that's gonna help you a lot how we work on the ship, and maybe for someone who wants to apply for this job, maybe that's like a little bit heads up of what's happening on board and how we work as a photographers. That's all for this video, guys. Make sure to subscribe and press that like button. More videos to come soon. So for the next video I was thinking I'm gonna make what's the perks of this job, how we enjoy our lives here on board and working on a cruise ship. So until then, guys, stay safe out there, keep 6 feet apart from each other, wear your gloves, wear your mask, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.